Hi guys, I'm Claire Donahoe and I will be your Vice President for next year's Student Council class. And if you're seeing this video, that means you're interested in applying for Student Council. So what's up? I'm going to talk to you about how to do that, how to apply online, and kind of how we're going to be using Google Classroom as a way to record all of your submission application stuff. So every single thing that I talk about will be listed in Google Classroom as well with the assignment, so you can read the more detailed information on your own time. But for now, I'm just going to be giving you kind of like a breakdown of the components that you're going to need to apply for Student Council. The first component is a written application, which I assume is pretty standard, that you guys would all know what that is. It's just a piece of paper, pretty much just asking why you want to be in Student Council, some ideas you might have, and just a little bit about yourself. And you're going to fill that out and submit it to Google Classroom the same way you would just submit assignment for any other class. The second thing is an artifact, which is something new that we're trying, and the goal of it is kind of like show and tell in a way that we just kind of want you to talk about something that shows off your skill set or your personality, and we can learn a little bit more about you. The third component is a flyer, and Student Council is big on advertising. It's a very, very big part of being in this class is knowing how to promote things and get the word out to your peers. So we're asking you to create a flyer based on an idea that you either put in your application or just any idea that you want to promote. And we're going to have you submit it so you can paint, you can make it online. We just want to see your creative process and how you would go about advertising something to the school. The fourth part is a Zoom interview, because obviously we can't see each other at school, so we're going to have a Zoom interview. There is a place on your written application to submit an email. So once we record everything, we will be emailing you with all your Zoom dates and codes, all that stuff. So don't worry about that yet, because we still have to get everything in before we email you, but that will be happening as well. The fifth part of your application is a class vote. So your friends and your peers will be voting on a representative for Student Council, but this goes along with the Zoom interview. Nobody needs to worry about that yet. We will be sending out links and more information on how you would even vote virtually and all that good stuff. So just want to let you know that will be a part of it, but you don't need to worry about it yet. The biggest things you need to get done in this Google Classroom are your written app, your artifact, and your flyer. And like I said, all the rules and all the other information about that is listed in each of those assignments. So go ahead and read those when you're ready to submit. If you have any questions or something on the Google Classroom doesn't make sense to you, be sure to email this email right here to get in contact with any of the eBoard members, or you can just reach out to us personally if you know any of these names on the screen. That's about it. We look forward to reading all of your applications, and we can't wait to see all of you when this is over. Have a great day, Adams.